This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Lin Miller. Charming single-family home with 3 bedrooms/2.5 baths, centrally located and easily walkable to both Ghent and downtown. Many recent updates including a full kitchen renovation, newer roof and HVAC. Great floor plan for entertaining. Kitchen open to den and adjacent to a large private rear deck. This home also has 2 fireplaces and a 1-car attached garage. Easy to show with advance notice and move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.